Hi, my name is Jahr Turchan. I'm the Director of Veteran Affairs and Advanced Manufacturing Programs here at Blackfox Training Institute. My current focus is on developing and putting together advanced manufacturing programs for transitioning veterans that are coming out of our various bases here in Colorado. If you're an employer, I'd love to talk to you about our custom training programs and how you can place veterans in your organization, how you can get free training for veterans, as well as how you can get a monetary bonus for hiring veterans. And if you're a veteran, I'd love to talk to you about our many veteran-focused programs that will help you upskill yourself and transition successfully into a civilian career. I look forward to hearing from all of you. Thanks.